Hi, welcome to Codechappy. Today we're going to see the demo for business app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further, it see this project. Next, open the Android Studio and open it. It left side web folders. Now below minimize button you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click a launch button. Now emulator is stored. This is how to start the project. Let's move the app explanation. Open business to app. There are two models, admin, user. Click admin. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successfully. Click user detail. View the user detail. Who are all registered the user, what type of user registered. View all the details. Come back to the home page. Click pending user. Who are all user registered user, but admin will not update the status. The status are pending. View all the details. Click approve user. Who are all registered the user, the status are approved. View all the details. If you want to search options are there. Now log out the admin models. Let's move the user login. First, click the user register. Enter the user register details like name, email. Enter all the details. Choose a user type. What user I click banker. Choose banker. Click register. Register successfully. Come back to the admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successfully. What are the registers? A user, the status are pending. You can click the pending user. View the details. You can search options are there. Search name, voice, or email, say anything, search it. If you want to upload the status, click update status. The status are pending or approval, anything update it. Click submitted successfully. What are the update status? View the details. If you want to search phone number wise or Aadhaar wise, anything search it. Status wise, anything search it. Now log out the admin models. Let's move the user login. Enter user email ID and password. Choose a user type, a banker or click banker. Click login. Login successfully. Banker were managing the models like a create professor, advisor, professor, anything view it. Click create professor. If you want to create new professor details, enter the professor details like loan type, minimum age. Enter all the details. Create proposal. Proposal created successfully. What are the credits to view the view my proposal? View all the details. Come back to the home page. Click the advisor proposal. View the advisor proposal. What are the credits? View all the details. Come back to the home page. Click business proposal. View the business proposal detail. What are the registered business? What are the address or anything? View it. Click investor proposal. View the investor proposal. What are the investor type, investor category, anything? View it. Click asset and loan transactions. View the banker proposal details. What are the business loan? What? View all the details. If you want to search options are there. Click my profile. View the my profile. If you want to update options are there. Come back to the home page. Now log out the banker models. Let's move the user login. Click login. Enter email ID and password. Choose a user type or investor, anything, choose it. Click user. Login successfully. Click add query. Enter the query details like name, query descriptions. Enter all the details. Click submit it. Query posted successfully. What are the credits to view the view query status? View all the details. Come back to the home page. Click business proposal. View the business proposal details. Now log out the user models. Click login. Enter the login email ID. If you want to enter the investor email ID and password. User type choosy. Click investor. Login successfully. If you want to create new proposal, click create proposal. Enter the proposal details like investor amount, investor type, investor category. Enter all the details. Click create proposal. Proposal created successfully. What are the credits to view the view my proposal? View all the details. What are the credits? If you want to update the status, click status. If you want to update a status, public or private, anything, choose it. Click submit it. Submit it successfully. You can view all the details. If you want to update the details, click update. If you want to delete options are there. Come back to the home page. Click investor proposal. View the investor proposal details. If you want to create investor, view all the details. If you want to search options are there. Come back to the home page. Next, click the login. You can enter the user and email ID and password. Choose a user type. What type? Businessman. Click login. Login successfully. Businessman managing models like create professor. You can view all the business advisor professor. Click create professor. If you want to create new professor, enter the professor details like business name, company register number, business category. Enter all the details. Enter the skill set, enter the contact number. Click create profile. Profile created successfully. What are the creates to view my profile? Click view my profile. View the details. What are the creates? What business are creates? Category details. If you want to search options are there. Come back to the home page. Click advisor professor. What are the advisor creators? What type of what name? Interview all the details. Now log out the businessman models. Click register. If you want to create new register, enter the register details like a name, email, password. Choose the type, user type. Click business advisor. This for register for business advisor or you can choose business advisor. Register successfully. What are the register to enter it? User login. First, you can go to the admin login because update status approve or pending. Anything managing the modules. Enter the email ID and password. Click login successfully. Click the pending user. What are the registers to managing the status? If you want to pending or pending, if you want to update options are there. Click you can search options are there. Click update status, approve or reject. Submit it successfully. What are the grids to view the details? If you want the approve, go to the approve managers. Now log out the admin models. Click the login. Enter email ID and password. Choose a user type. You can click the business advisor because this is for business advisor email ID. Login successfully. Business advisor managing modules. Click create professor. If you want to business advisor, enter the professor details like name, title, descriptions. Enter all the details. Click create profile. What are the creates to view the view my profile? View all the details. If you want to search options are there. Next, click the banker profile. View banker profile details. View all the details. Come back to the home page. Click view user queries. What are the queries are entered if you register the user? View all the details, status or success or pending, anything you view it. If you want to search options are there. Come back to the home page. Click user login. Enter the user email ID and password. Choose user. Click login successfully. If you want to add a query, click add a query. Enter the query details like name, what are the queries or descriptions or anything. Enter it. Next, whatever queries creates to view the view query status. What are the creates? If you want to search options are there. Click login. Enter the user login email ID and password. User type business advisor. Click login successfully. Click view user queries. What are the queries registered? View all the details. If you want to status update, click up status. Enter the replay. Choose a status pending or approval on progress. Click a reply. Replied successfully. Now log out the business advisor modules. Come back to the login. Click user email ID and password. Enter the user email ID and password. Choose user type. Click login successfully. Click my query status. View the status. Details status or update. You can search options are there. Come back to the home page. Now log out the user modules. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.